Is the obstacle avoidance on the DJI Air 3S really that much better than other DJI drones? Well, we're going to find out in today's video. Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Now then, I've owned nearly every single drone you can think of from DJI. However, I've never in my life owned one of the Air range. So when the Air 3S came out, I wasn't really that bothered about it until I watched this video from Peter Lindgren. But is it really that good? And do I really need it, since I own the Mavic 3 Pro, the Avatar 2, the Mini 4 Pro and the Neo? And if I asked my wife, she'd definitely say no. But what I did was bite the bullet and ordered it, and on the pretense that if I liked it, I'd sell my Mavic 3 Pro, and if I didn't, I'd end up selling the Air 3S. But I do need to do some testing before I make that rash decision. So I've taken it out with me when I was filming the surf rescue stuff with the Mavic 3 Pro, so I can compare them when they're out and about, using it for the sort of things that I use it for, just like this. But that's for another video, so make sure you hit the subscribe so you don't miss out on that one. Plus, if you're interested in the actual event itself and seeing the action of that, there'll be video links up here or they'll be down below, so you can check out the national championships and all the action. Plus, if you've got any tests you want me to do or any questions you've got about it, then leave them in the comments down below. But that's enough of me waffling on. Is the obstacle avoidance really that good? Let's find out. We're going to get out here and test the obstacle avoidance for all these bloody trees. See whether or not it's as good as they reckon it is. Anyway, let's get on with it. So while I was editing this, I've had to stop the video there quickly because I had set up the Osmo Pocket 3, the Canon and the old Osmo Action so that you could see the drone following me around rather than just from the drone's view. However, I'd also put the DJI mic on one of the Canon cameras so it could record audio of me saying, oh, when it's nearly hit a tree and things like that. Unfortunately, schoolboy error, I forgot to switch on the bloody mic, didn't I? So rather than listen to my dulcet tones, I'm going to play some music on over this, but what you'll see is me actually walking down with the drone following me in active mode, and you can see that it's missing out all the trees and things like that. But then what I do is I put it on spotlight mode, stand in the middle of the trees and actually just have it rotating around me with it on the 24mm and the 70mm. And believe me, I started to get a little bit nervous when it got near the trees and things like that, but I trusted it and you will be pleasantly surprised at what happens. Let's get on with it.
Got the moment to strike, I don't hesitate. I'm feeling like winning, they spitting the venom, but I got the power, I ain't afraid. I'm in your face, forget tomorrow, man, I'm here today. Won't settle for good, man, I'm shooting for great. To remember my name when I'm in the grave. Yeah, all in, not pretending, Hall of Fame in with the veterans. I ain't playing weak, no, I'm playing for keeps. Can't stop me, I'm a legend. I run with the crew that's making the moves. Get out of the way, we coming through. We got this, never stopping, and we won't lose, no, we can't lose. Yeah. Energy, walking on lightning, I better be running on 10. Go till it ends, you don't wanna be one of my enemies. I'm cooking, I turn up the heat and everyone looking. They turning to see all the work that I put in, but I'm moving too fast so they losing their footing. I run with the crew that's making the moves, get out of the way, we coming through. We got this, never stopping, and we won't lose, no we can't lose.
So I told you you'd be surprised at it, but what I really wanted to do was put it to a major test that I do down at the stables, where I fly it through a gap that's in the hedge to see whether or not it can go through there. I fly the FPV drone through there and I've crashed it hundreds of times, so let's see how it gets on and get on down the stables.
We run it and we can't stop, we run it, number one spot, we run it and we can't stop, we run it, number one spot, we run it and we can't stop, we run it, we run it, we run it.
that is absolutely awesome. All I literally did was press the stick forward and it did it all by itself. That gives you great confidence. There was little hanging branches and things like that. The amount of times I've hit it with the old Avatar 2 and things like that is unbelievable, and I have to go and pick it out of the hedges, but this got through both ways. And last but not least, that test that I do with all the drones down on the beach, and if you're interested in looking at all the other ones like the Mini 4 Pro and the Neo and all of that lot, there'll be links up here. Pop down there with a Super 73 to see how well it handled ActiveTrack. It's pretty obvious it's going to do okay, but what I also did was try that new mode where it actually decides what is the best angle to try and get more cinematic views and things like that. So let's go and check that out. But there you go. I think this beast is awesome, so much so it may even make me decide to put the Mavic 3 Pro into retirement. But that's for another video because I'm going to have to do some more tests before I decide on that one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And as I said earlier, if there's any tests you want me to do with this one or any questions you got on it, then let me know in the comments as well. And if you've enjoyed this, don't forget, hit the old like button and hit that subscribe if you haven't already so you can check out more videos in the future. Until next time, stay safe out there everyone, have some fun making stuff, and above all, keep smiling. See ya.